Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Andobil NEWEST Alloy folding Magsafe compatible car mount with strongest magnets, and it's big phone friendly. We have here an ultra stable magnetic phone holder for the car dash. It fits for the iPhone 15, 14, 13, 12 Pro Max Plus Mini devices and MagSafe cases. But more. Of course, you can dock every smartphone on it, because Andobil gets you two magnetic rings in the box too. So these two one of the two magnet rings you can attach to your phone, which does not support MagSafe, and after this, with this, you can dock it on this Alloy folding MagSafe car mount as well. Really cool. This is a game changer. Andobil NEWEST Alloy folding magnet phone holding system here for the car dashboard features a unique foldable design. This mount can easily fold to adapt to various driving needs. While using the mount, it securely attaches to the dashboard without obstructing our line of sight. This allowing us to stay focused on the road for a safer driving experience. While not using the mount, its exquisite metal exterior will add to touch or modern fashionable style to our car's interior. This NEWEST MAGSAFE car mount is designed to interact seamlessly with the MagSafe technology, without the hassle of sticking metal plates. We just get close and automatically align the snap to the MagSafe car mount, accurately matching the magnet ring inside the car phone and phone, of course. The cell phone car mount is perfect fit for all Apple devices which contains the MagSafe systems, but also other magnet cases or the MagSafe cases. And of course, because of the halo rings, magnet halo rings, which are included, it matches to all smartphones out there. This mount for cars has built-in 20 strong and 55 magnets. The magnetic force is much stronger than a common 15 magnet holder on the market, even when our car is taking sharp turns or driving on the bumpy road. Our phone will never drop from the phone mount for a car and distract us. The car phone mount is annular closed magnetic field, not interference with the signals, to keep the navigation and calling open. And according to the test of the Andobil laboratories, even in extreme environments from minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit up to 194 degrees Fahrenheit, the 3M adhesive MagSafe car mount will not deform or fall off. The 3M adhesive thickened to 0.06 inches ensures seamless adhesive to various surfaces with strong adhesion and durability, and also providing two different kinds of 3M adhesives included. Therefore, the Andobil magnet car phone holes can fit 100% to the center console of various vehicles. And this magnetic iPhone car mount is made of high quality materials and has the highest degree of durability. You see, really cool. It comes to you, and there are not only for Apple devices, because in the box, if our phone doesn't have the MagSafe function, is the metal rings included that can be attached to the phone or case. And then it's also compatible with Samsung Galaxy devices, S23, S22 and so on. The Galaxy Note, Moto, Google Pixel, Nokia, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Sony, LG, etc. All is possible to connect with this holding system because of the rings which are included. This is the 2023 NEWEST MagSafe Car Mount Pro by Andobil. We can go to the up extension or a down extension or a full folding mode as you like. And we have strong magnets, 20 times and 55 magnets are built in. That means 99% enhanced magnetic force. And it's the 2023 best SICON 3M adhesive included, up to 194 degrees Fahrenheit and 2 millimeter thick. And if you attach this to your car, clean the surface, of course, then attach the device on your dashboard, for example. And do not use your smartphone within 24 hours. So let it make the job, do the adhesive make the job, and after 24 hours you can get a smartphone on it, no problem, because it is possible up to 1.2 kilogram to hold. We have 270 degrees adjustable. We expand more ways to use. 360 degrees rotation, more flexible magnet mount. It works without metal ring on iPhone 15, 14, 13, 12 series, MagSafe cases and magnet cases. And it works with the metal ring, which is included for iPhone 11 and under series and all Android phones, which comes with non-MagSafe cases, for example. We have a one-hand operation. We just connect, drive, job's done. And it's really easy to attach. The only thing is you have to wait 24 hours until the surface makes their job. Really important, really cool, and really easy, as you can see. This is the Andobil NEWEST Alloy folding MagSafe car mount with strongest magnets, and it's big phone friendly. Ultra stable magnetic phone holder for our car dash. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.